Hello students. Today let us move towards some other concept. Okay. First I will ask one question. So my question is 9532. Is it divisible by 2? Anybody know? Okay. So for that purpose I will start dividing 9532 by 2. Okay. Okay, 9 4s are 8, 1, 5, 9 7s are 14, 1. Next, 2 6s are 12, 1, 2. Then 2 6s are 12, 0, 0. Okay. So by doing this long process, we at the last we identify this 9532 is divisible by 2. Okay. Okay, now tell me, is this number divisible by 2? Okay, andre ee number 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ the division process is very long. Okay, for 9532 this division process is up to here. For 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 5 8. Okay, for this question the division process is too long. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, for that purpose we should study the divisibility tests. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು divisibility test ಅನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ we can easily solve the how to divide the given number. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ಲೆಟ್ us start with divisibility tests. Okay, first divisibility test is divisibility by 2. Okay, a number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digit 0 2 4 6 8 in its ones place, or if the numbers are even then they are divisible by 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 2 4 ಅಥವಾ 6 8 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಇಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈವನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 2. ಅವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಅವು 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, then how to solve that type question? Okay, so I will write one question here. Check whether, already written, check whether 9532 is divisible by 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9532 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈವನ್ then they are divisible by 2. Okay, so we already know that. Okay, so for that purpose we should identify the unit place of the given number. Okay, so which one is the number in the unit place? So the unit place digit of 9532. Okay, the unit place digit is 2. Okay, so if the number is 2, therefore that number is divisible by 2. Okay, you already know the rule. If the numbers are even, then they are divisible by 2. Okay, okay. Then next homework 572 2150 21084 1258 5445. Okay. The next one divisibility by 3. Next one, the divisibility by 3. The rule for divisibility by 3 is if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the sum of that all numbers. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಉತ್ತರ ನಾವು ಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, sum of that number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, add all the numbers. Okay, so question is 9532, add 9 5 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, by adding all these 9532 we get 19. Okay, after that check 19 is divisible by 3. Okay, 19 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 9 6 18, remainder 1. So if there is a remainder, then that number is not divisible by 3. Okay, so write that now. 19 is not divisible by 3. Okay, we know that sum of that number is divisible by 3. That means 3 in the divide agidre, so given number is also divisible by 3. But here the sum is not divisible by 3. So therefore 9532 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so homework same in the first homework. 572 2150 21084 1258 5445. Next, divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. So that means, so I am taking one example. Check whether 9532 is divisible by 4. Okay, the rule is first identifying the last two digits. So if the last two digits is divisible by 4, so that means first identifying the last two digits. The last two digits are 3 to 32. Okay, so then next identify if this number is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, for that purpose divide this number by 4. Okay, so 4 8s are 32. Okay, remainder 0, so therefore 32 is divisible by 4. Okay, so write that one. 32 is divisible by 4. Okay, so if last two digit is divisible by 4, then that given number 9532 is also divisible by 4. Okay, then the homework 572 2150 21084 1258 5445. So same homework. Next, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last, that means unit place, last place is either 0 or 5. Andre last place, unit place is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay, so take one example. Check whether 9532 is divisible by 5. Okay, so in this question, first we should identify the last digit, because last digit is the main. Okay, so divisibility by 5 is depends on last digits. Okay, so for that purpose first identify the last digit of the given question. So the last digit of 9532 is 2. So okay, in this question the last digit is 2. Okay, but if the last digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay, for that purpose the last digit is not 0 or 5. So if number last digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by, but here the number is 2, the last digit is not 0 or 5. Okay, right, last digit is not 0 or 5, then 9532 is not divisible by 5. So at the place of 5 anta baribeku. Okay, then homework 572 2150 21084 21258 5445. Right. The next one, divisibility by 6. That means if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. Andre divisibility by 6 ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇಂದನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು 3 ಇಂದನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, so if that number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಎರಡರಿಂದನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅದು 6 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so for example I will take one question. Check whether 9532 is divisible by 6. First identify that number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, the last digit of 9532 is 2. So at the time of divisibility by 2, first we should identify the last digit. So the last digit of 9532 is 2. So the last digit is even, therefore 9532 is divisible by 2. Okay. For the divisibility by 3, first we should identify the sum. 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. The sum is 19. Then next identify that sum is divisible by 3 or not. So 3, 19, 3 6 18, remainder 1. So therefore 19 is not divisible by 3. Okay, write that one. So 19 is not divisible by 3. So therefore 9532 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so here in this question, the given question is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3. Okay, so if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. But here in this question, it is divisible by 2 but not 3, not by 3. So therefore this 9532 is not divisible by 6. Okay. Then the homework, same homework, 572 2150 21084 1258 5445. Next, divisibility by 8. Okay, so if the number is divisible by 8, if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, andre ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ 8 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೂಡ 8 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, so for that purpose I will take one question. Check whether 9532 is divisible by 8. The last 3 digits of 9532 is 532. Okay, so in this question last 3 digits are important. So for that purpose first identify the last 3 digits. So here the last 3 digits are 532. Okay, the next identify if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. Okay, so divide 532 by 8. So 8 6 are 42, 48, remainder 5, write 2, 8 6 are 48, remainder 4. So therefore 532 is not divisible by 8. So write that one. 532 is not divisible by 8. So okay, so the last 3 digits are not divisible by 8. Therefore that given number is also not divisible by 8. Okay, study slowly. Homework 10824, then 2150 2184 1258 5445. Next, divisibility by 9. So the rule for divisibility by 9 is if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Okay, this rule is same as the rule in divisibility by 3. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ರೂಲ್ ಸಮ್ 9 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ 9 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ 9532 is divisible by 9. Okay, first identify the sum. Okay, sum is the important topic, so therefore this divisibility depends on sum. Okay, for that purpose first identify the sum. Sum 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. So sum of these numbers is equal to 19. Okay, so the next identify that number is divisible by 9 or not. Okay, so therefore dividing by 9, 9 2s are 18, remainder 1. So therefore 19 is not divisible by 9. Okay, write that one. 19 is not divisible by 9. Okay, therefore 9532 is not divisible by 9. Okay, same or homework 572 2150 21084 1258 5445. Next, divisibility by 10. Okay, a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. Okay, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು 10 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So for that purpose, identifying the last digit of the question is important. Check whether 9532 is divisible by 10. The last digit of 9532 is 2. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ last digit 2. Okay, if the number is 0, if the last digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. But here in this question the last digit is 2, so therefore write the last digit is not 0. Okay, so therefore 9532 is not divisible by 10. In the homework 572 2150 21084 1252 58 5445. Okay, students, study very slowly and solve all the homework. Okay.